Right here on my screen, you can see I've made a total withdrawal of 11,191 naira. You can see my last withdrawal was 1,000 naira. Then you can see I have currently a wallet balance of 935 naira. Now I will show you how to make 5,000 naira every single day with this website by doing simple jobs that you do for free. I'm going to show you how to make 5,000 naira every single day on this website. Now, what are you going to be doing in order to make the money? This is what you're going to be doing. Social media tags. You can see the jobs you are going to be doing. Follow someone on Twitter, WhatsApp channel, like and follow people. You can see there are so many sweet jobs to do here in order to make money for yourself. So that's not the only way to make money with this platform. Another way you can make money, and this is one of the major ways you can make money with this platform. This particular social media tags, these particular jobs, if you are consistent with doing them, I can assure you of 1,000 naira every single day. But in order to scale up your income with this platform, in order to make more money, that's to make the 5,000 naira every day, what you will need to do is just tap on these three lines here. Later in this video, I will show you how to register. So I will just tap on these three lines here. Then I'll come to profile. I'm going to show you how to make 5,000 naira every single day. So you see a referral link here. You just tap on copy. You copy the link. You copy the link. Please wait for the link to copy. Sorry. So I have copied my referral link. So what you are going to do is, when after you are done copying this link, I've copied mine already, go to your Facebook. This is how to make the money. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you like this video too. So what you are going to do is go to the search bar and search for make money online. You can see it. So it is in these groups that you'll be posting your referral link, and each referral you get paid 500 naira. So if in a day you can get 10 referrals in a day, you see that you have made up to 5,000 naira. So I will just go ahead and type make 1,000 naira every day with this website by completing simple task. So you just press post. So you just press post here, but I don't want to make this post right now. But this is how to make 5,000 naira every single day with this website. So when you post it on these groups, this is not just the only group. You can post it on many groups. You can post it on your WhatsApp status. You can post it on your Facebook. So when people register with your link, you'll be able to make money. That's each referral you get is 500 naira. Now to register on this website, here is what you are going to do. Come to the description of this video. You will see a link there. That link, you will click on that link. When you click on that link, you'll be able to register on this platform. Registration on this platform is just 1,000 naira. So just go to the description of this video. You will see a link there, and that's the link you tap on and register. So this is how to make money with this platform. And once you reach 1,000 naira, you can withdraw to your Nigerian bank account. Whether you're using OPay, PalmPay, whatever bank you are using, you can withdraw. So if you find this video to be interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with your family members and your friends. Thank you so much for watching.